Guys, who doesn't like smoked meat? Let's see if we can make it the same way as a restaurant does. Will it get juicy? Will it get tender? Let's see. We love smoked meat. It is a staple in Montreal. Now, we have done a video on Schwartz's smoked meat from Costco, but this is the real deal. This came from our local smoked meat restaurant place, and theirs is even more tender, and we didn't want to spend the money on one sandwich when we can get a whole piece for practically the same price. So we requested that he cut us a 2-pound piece of smoked meat so that we can test it out and let you guys know if it's possible. So here's the smoked meat. It's covered in steak spices and God, it smells so good. So all we have to do, it's already been cured, it's already been really cooked, but to rejuvenate it and to get it tender, we are going to steam it. It's gonna go into the steamer, and we're gonna steam it for approximately 2 hours. I will check on it at about 1 hour and 40 minutes and see how that goes. So we're gonna steam it, then check it. When we check it, we'll get back to you to show you. And here is my steamer. It's bubbling up now, so we're gonna put it on and have it cook for 2 hours or less. We'll keep you in the loop. And I love my new steamer. It's a Curtis Stone. You can see the cooking process through the glass top.
And we see the results after 1 hour and 20-ish minutes, kind of. It's very steamy. We're gonna go for another 25 minutes, roughly 1 hour and 45 minutes total. And it smells delicious in here. It literally smells like you're in the restaurant.
Oh, it smells so good. It looks so good.
Goodness, see it. There's just a little bit of fat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. 1 hour and 45 minutes later, here we are. Let's see. Oh, it's smoking. Oh, it smells delicious. Look at this. The last smoked meat we made was from Costco. It was the Schwartz's. And this is the real deal. So let's pick it up and slice it.
Oh, it's tickling.
Oh my God. That is delicious. It's just a little bit of fat. I would have preferred a little more fat. And this piece cost $30. Pretty good deal, because you can go there and get a sandwich for the same amount. So I don't know which way you want to slice it, but
So it has to be against the grain.
well, I would assume it's this way that he cut it, or like this.
I'm gonna try this. Whoa, like butter.
You won't want that piece because there's fat on it. Wife's not a big fan of fat.
I don't know if it's this way. It might be this way, actually. Let's try to slice one. Thin slice. I'm not a pro like that. Oh. And that's the test of a good.
Just like a brisket. Well, try it out. See if it's any good.
Okay. I'm gonna cut that in half.
Yeah, it's a big piece.
Didn't really have to cut it.
Let's
Oh.
see. Well, it's still.
My jowls.
All right, I know you're dying for it. Is it as good as the restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
Did we succeed?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Oh,
For real?
so good.
It's worth it?
Oh my God. Oh, melts in your mouth. You get those smoked meat spices, and then it just melts in your mouth. You don't even have to chew. Just swallow. So good.
No more going to the restaurant. We can do it at home ourselves.
Oh my gosh, so good.
So that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, especially if you like smoked meat. See y'all later.